Hey there, Messenger users. Are you having trouble with your group chats? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'm going to walk you through some common Messenger group chat problems and how to fix them, step by step. Let's dive in. The first thing to do when encountering Messenger group chat issues is to check your internet connection. Poor connection can cause messages not to send or receive properly. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Now that you've checked your internet connection, let's move on to the next step. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to glitches. Make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Head over to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and hit Update if available. Now that your app is up to date, let's see if that fixed the issue. If not, don't worry, we have more steps to try. Sometimes accumulated cache and data can cause Messenger to act up. Let's clear it out. Go to your phone settings, then go to apps and notification, then on apps, then find Messenger. Go to storage and tap on clear cache. Now that you've cleared the cache, let's see if that resolved the problem. If not, we have a couple more troubleshooting steps to go. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the Messenger app. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Simply long press the Messenger app icon and select uninstall. Then head to the App Store and reinstall it. After reinstalling, check if the problem is resolved. If not, we have one last troubleshooting step to try. If none of the previous steps worked, it's time to reach out to Messenger support. Open the Messenger app and go to Settings and find the Help and Support, or you can find Report Technical Problem. Tap on it. Tap on Report Anyway. You can include the screenshot or not. From there, you can report the issue or chat with a support representative. And there you have it. By following the steps, you should be able to resolve most Messenger group chat problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.